So we've got a wireless mod for the ROCCAT Burst. It should work exactly the same on the core as the Pro, and that's the main intent here, is you can save like 30 bucks and get the core. It's just not out yet, so I had to do it to a Pro. The files are on Etsy, the STL files, and if you don't have a printer, you can just go to Etsy and hit me up. I sell printed sets. Anyways, onto the video. So here I'm just flipping it over, showing you where the 4 screw holes are. They're under the feet, so you'll have to pull those off. And you'll note I don't have a PCB in here. It's around here somewhere probably, but I don't know where it is. You just undo a couple of PCB screws and like a scroll wheel PCB screw, and then, you can remove the PCB and continue. You'll need to make some cuts on the top shell, so I'm showing you a few angles here. I would just pause it and take a look at exactly what's getting cut here. Or if, you're really lazy, you can just kind of get a ballpark and keep on cutting bits off and keep on trying to fit the top shell on, like with the PCB and everything. And obviously, at some point, you'll have cut enough off. But yeah, that's why I showed you multiple angles. I would pause it and look at it. Slide the PCB into place, make sure the on and off switch doesn't fall off. It has a habit of doing that. And then just go ahead and do the screws. Now slide that battery holder in. Slide the side buttons down into place. Now the mouse button holders, just slide them down and then push the mouse buttons and their holders down and then inward into place. Now put the side holders on. I have the conjoined one here, but I have separate ones. I think the clicks feel a lot better when you do separate, but this way they don't fall off as easy or anything like that. I mean fall off during assembly. None of the pieces are going to fall off, during gameplay. This is just when you're putting the mouse together. And I've included a DPI button for those that actually use it. I mean, I would probably just not use it and then like pull off the little DPI button from the inside, but I'm sure that somebody wants it for like rebinding or something. To snap the front into place, pretty simple. Line it up at the front, push down, and then push in on both sides, and then snap it down, and it's not going to end up moving. At this point, you can test your clicks and make sure everything's lined up if you just hold the mouse together, and then flip it over. We only have one screw on the bottom, and just go ahead and do that, and you're done. I'm going to throw a sound test here at the end for all the clicks.